Now there are a ton of components that go into buying a classic Mustang, and today I'm going to teach you how to decode the VIN number so you can make sure that what you see is what you get. Before we start with the decoding process, go ahead and locate your VIN number. You could find your VIN number on the driver's side door tag, on the fender apron, and for 68 and later you could also find it on the driver's side dash. So here is a sample VIN number. Your VIN number should look very similar to this, and as you can see, it has a total of 11 characters. The first number of your VIN is going to correspond with the model year of your Mustang. So for example, if the first number of your VIN is 5, you have a 1965 Mustang. Now the second space in your VIN number is going to represent where your Mustang was made. F represents Michigan, R represents California, and T represents New Jersey. Now the third and fourth number of your VIN number come together to tell you the body style of your Mustang. Now the fifth letter of your VIN number is going to tell you what engine your classic Mustang came with. So here is the list of the engines from 64.5 to 1973. Now the last 6 numbers of your VIN is going to represent your Mustang's consecutive unit number. So this basically means which number Mustang you have produced, and it starts over for each assembly plant. So each production number at each assembly plant started with 100001. So for example, if you had a Mustang which VIN ended in 100310, you would have Mustang number 310, not Mustang 100,310. And that sums up how to decode your classic Mustang's VIN number. If there's anything that you think I should add, or if you have any questions for me, as always, please feel free to leave it in the comments down below.